Hi, good morning, children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya Digital Learning class. Hi, hello. How are you, kids? I hope you are all safe. Yes? Okay. Before going to the topic, I'll say you some of exercise. Be ready, students. Everyone sit in your place. Sit in your place. Stand. Sit. Stand. Sit. Stand. Jump. Jump. Stop. Jump. Stop. Sit. Stand. Jump. Stop. Sit. Stand. Jump. Stop. Sit. Stand. Jump. Stop. Jump. 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 Stop. Sit. Stand. Sit. Stand. Sit. Stand. Clap your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Clap your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Clap your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, stop. Okay, sit in your places, children. Last previous class, what you learned? See, children, 15th one. What is that? 384 plus 297. What is that sum? You should estimate the sum. Yes, estimate the sum of the following. You should write rounding off. Rounding of 384 to the nearest tens gives nearest tens. Which number will come nearest tens? Tell me. See, 4 is lesser than 5. Yes, that's why. Which number will come? 380 will come. Yes, as 4 is less than 5. Okay, rounding off. 297 to the nearest tens gives. What is that? Nearest tens, which number will come? Tell me. 300. Because of 7 is more than 5. S greater than 5. See, 300. Near to the 97 is 300. 297 near is 300. Understood, children? As 7 greater than 5. Understood, children? Now, adding 380 and 300, we get, how much you'll get? Tell me. 680. Next, therefore, the estimated sum of 384 and 297 is 680. Understood, children? This is A1. Copy and write. See, check properly. If your answer right or wrong, check. Otherwise, erase and write properly. Okay? This is A1. Next B1 I will give you. Yeah, children, B1. Again, see 416 plus 261. What you have to do again? You should estimate the sum as rounding off. Rounding off 416 to the nearest tens gives, what is that? 460 nearest tens, 20, 420. Yes, 6 is greater than 5. That's why 20 will 420. Okay, children. As 6 greater than 5. Understood, children? Next, rounding off. What is that? 261 to the nearest tens gives, see, 261. Nearest means what? 260. Because 1 is less than 5. 1 is less than 5. Understood, children? Adding. What you have to do? You should add. What you have to add? You should add 420 plus 260. Yes. 420 and 260. We get. What we will get? What we will get? We will get 680. See? 420 plus 260. See? 0, 0, 0. 2 plus 6, 8. 4 plus 2, 6. 680. As now. Therefore, the estimated sum of what is that? 416 and what is that? 261 is how much? 680. Understood, children? Copy. Check once your answer is right or wrong. Check. If your answer is right, okay. Otherwise, you should write properly. See, children, 16th one, A1, 224 plus 567. Rounding of 224 to the nearest tens gives 220. Because 4 is less than 5. Yes. Rounding of 567 to the nearest tens gives 570. As 7 greater than 5. Yes. Adding 220 and 570, we get 790. Therefore, the estimate sum of 224 and 567 is 790. Copy, ma. See if your answer is right or wrong, check. Otherwise, you should copy. Okay? 16th one, B1 children. See, 623 plus 327. Rounding of 623 to the nearest tens gives 620 because 3 is less than 5. Yes. Now, rounding of 327 to the nearest tens gives 327 nearest 330 as 7 is greater than 5. Adding 620 and 330 we get 950. Therefore, the estimate sum of 623 and 327 is 950. Okay children? Copy properly ma. Check it and copy. Children, example 5. Raj buys vegetables for rupees 63 and fruits for rupees 25. Estimate the amount he should pay to the shopkeeper. What you have to do? This is word problem. Okay. You should estimate the sum and you should add. Understood children? Amount spent on vegetables. How much? 63. Amount spent on vegetables 63. 63 rounded to the nearest tens is 60. 63. If you rounded 63 means nearest tens which one will come? 60 will come. Amount spent on fruits. Amount spent on fruits how much? 25. Okay. 25 rounded to the nearest tens is 30 or 20. This is 5. Okay. 5 is in middle number. That's why you can write 30 or 20. Understood? Now total amount be spent to 60 plus 30 is equal to 90. Estimated the sum. Understood children? How much? 90 rupees. Amount if you estimated means 90 rupees came. Understood? Raj buys vegetable for 63 rupees children. Again fruits for 25 rupees. Estimate the amount he should pay to the shopkeeper. How much he should pay to the shopkeeper he should estimate. Understood? What you have to do? 63 you should rounded off you should do means 60 will come. 25 if you rounded means what will come? 30 will come. We should add 60 plus 30. How much will come? 90. Understood? Like this only I will show you how to do the in workbook problems. Okay? Take out your workbook children. Take out your workbook children. Take out your workbook. 17th one. Zenith has 46 roses, red roses, and Kittu has 22 yellow roses. Estimate the total number of roses they have. What you have to do? You should estimate the total number of roses. Understood children? See, Zenith, how much he has? "46 solution 17th one. 46 red roses with Zenith. What you have to do? Rounded. Rounded to the nearest tens. Nearest tens is, see, 46 nearest tens, 50. Yes. Next, 22 yellow roses with Kittu rounded to the nearest tens is, see, 22 nearest, what is that? 20. Yes. Now the sum of 50 and 20 is 70. Yes, 50 plus 20 is 70. Therefore, the estimated total number of roses they have is 70. See children, what is the zenith as 46 roses. If you rounded that 46, 50. Nearest tens is 50. See, Kittu has yellow roses 22. If you rounded that 22 nearest 20. The sum of 50 and 20 is 70. Therefore, the estimated total number of roses they have is 70. Understood children? You should copy in the workbook. This is word problem. How to estimate the sum. Copy properly, ma. Now, 18th one. Appu has 57 pencils and Rahmat has 43 pencils. Estimate the total number of pencils they have. See children, 57 pencils. With Appu. How many pencils is there? 57. Rounded off. Rounded to the nearest tens. Which one will come rounded to the nearest tens? 57, 60. Yes. Now 43 pencils with Rahmat. Rounded to the nearest tens. How much? 43 nearest? 40. The sum of 60 and 40 is it, we get what we get 100, otherwise is 100. See, the sum of 60 and 40 is 100. Therefore, the estimated total number of pencil they have altogether is 100. Understood, children? What I am saying? See, first what you have to do, you should rounded you should do. See, 57. Appu has 57 pencils. Rounded to the nearest tens is 60. And 43 pencils with Rahmat. Rounded to the nearest tens 40. The sum of 60 and 40 is 100. What you did there? 60 plus 40 you did. Understood? 60 plus 40 how much? 100. Therefore, the estimated total number of pencils they have altogether is 100. Understood, children? Copy properly. You should do 19th one and 20th one tomorrow. I will check and I will write on the board, okay? 19th, 20th and 21st, 22nd, okay? You should try it. 19th and 20th you should try. If you know means you can write, okay? Try first. If you try, it will come, okay?